Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This social media president one. You shock una today. Chi! Men are try. All of una men are try. Who goes there? Who they shake that is? So men are try. And they come. All of una men are subscribe. Today na saga. The three wise men for palace. Now today we'll talk to them. Because at the third day, make sure people with there abroad, then the citizen of Edo people, they make them happy again. Today, if you know say you be number one, say maybe palace people, all those big men, all those chiefs, they go they come, they say they want to come talk to our papa. Now go use one way take cover them for road. Say yes. Papa say me you don't enter here. Papa just invest for you. But I'll fit talk to them. They say okay, don't worry. 2 million for your account. 3 million for your account. Now I take spoil Beniso. With respect, not day again. I go thank my Obaseki. As he come, all those things have to be wiped out. So the three wise men, now today I go mention their name. And if na not remove hand for land property, I go tell Obaseki make it get arrested. Because now they use one way to destroy the good things with the company. Now they talk and say yes. Now know in and out of the palace. Now know everything about the palace. Now know the tradition. Now say now know the tradition. So I work for Hano back. I win got one and hack or you nana do mean of bosoy. Do call the lady man, no fear. Call the leno well on time in Legua. Only ma give you that priority or that privilege. No yari adoa. No more do the having a doggy yena. A viema daya fair, a vioye, a viema a cortis no away OG. Cortis na away OG. No tip to a momu weko. A kuye. When I wake Curtis over highway the why do you know we are fight ye property? Okay, go. Eka waria doani awa bedoni. Even wa uro poropa neri mama e program e baba kana heya. Gwa mara teta akpe ma wa bedoni. Nu dai jutu ro poropa. Evni ate weni ya o. Won gi agwan. Abe chief. Evni ate weni ya won gi agwan. O when I do report ya. Ekame ni tion wa no de na biwa wa yi aguto wegwa ya ga we na do yi na ikie no to hia etemo ya ne rewe bo wa tenje ya wa hia ne ya wa ba wa abe oheno. I'm coming to this wow now. Now see me how they feel now. Na man na princess doing that. Carry and go Jebu Ede. Carry and go anywhere. Go do medicine. Anything where you want to turn the land outside down, take do medicine. Not they near me. Because the land said, say the truth, and the truth shall set you free. So everybody subscribe to that Ologbo. Because of the oil here, now Curtis want that put. Because of the oil here, you see oil dead there. He never finished the building. He get petrol station. He get 3 hotels. It 2 hotel, me I know, 2 hotel, and the house was still there. Say if you just build 2 donor, you go just relax. Because the money we get through land property, say make me come. Those people wey dey fight for palace for abroad, may not come out so. Now abroad, na Nigeria, na money dey. All those ologbo, all year where Captain Osa dey eat before. Na you want eat, you want chop the money. He go say now Obase now. Anything we want to Obase now. Anything we want to now buy what they say now. You see how they destroy the name of our kingdom. So all these people have to be called to record. Oba talk by he say, so I'm ready to fight all these people. Roland, you say now you know a time pass. Rolando where? Rolande Hoy. Who go why me ya fair with Begwa. Who come na lele baba no fiya. No doni wa use opportunity wa mwedoria. Iye chebonu wa mwedoria Ibieka gwa vi wa o se yo le gwa bieki gwa vi wa awe mo no ma be na no ma go berere wa vian yo hen ou bien ye dans des postes ni akin no to ya we ade share no secretary is again the secretary now with the bawe irabo oni awa we na some paper or wa mi eri magwa wa mo phone wa dai oye na wona gbipo wa gojiti because when we ego nu mie abi ori on ele wa gbedo kwere the name of wagunalele egwa the name of wasikoba the name of where yes a voice wakpa ka ho an voice wan we abe chief ya fe to wan ri mu wan gin agun wa report ya man baba we boy wan every have we wa ga meta wata wa ko man we no to tayo wa Roland Ekoy secretary where Roland wa gbedo we ne doye ni wa vanity line palace ni wa mio if no mind no mama ha on tedo wa va gbedo wa we courtesy wa we do re bagbe ni wa we no pa un dan no pa no ma we ma no wa re la jan wo gyan ba he oji atapara pa wa we do mu bagbe idenu wa 301 years ema iga tori wa mo bedo gbe wa we gbe la jan wa tie bo igo nu ni wa ya mi go ni de o egwa ni wa na mi o wa tie bo yo even wa men ya fe de egwa ni wa na mi o ija atewe na ya goba no wi ya goba na do ke millionaire eri oka de oka jagmo ya fe awi ma ya fe ma baba de le mi aregwa baba wa pajare wa gbedo kwere won gie e magbo ri gun wedo won gie awe ka we poro pari gun e ya ri mo ha we a gun na do kuyan no try no ba 1 do there no ba 6 no try no ba 2 ado there no ba 20 because even water e fana idenu wa o 201 years don't get subscribe to WhatsApp Roland Ekoy okay my beg we ni we picture we me disgrace uga mu to wedo otun ona e complete to there ibi ju ero poro na e complete to there egbe we ero poro na e complete to there we ya mi oto emeni tana ana mi go na ofu egbere emeta no ido tamawe maybe orun paro tamawe ni egbe wewe ya mi oto wa ge ya we gwagi awe gogo wa awe gwagi a die gwa Roland di cover we baba mi boya gwegun no pa no ro no pa no wi ati e secretary ogo ni iwa kose wa me secretary wo ma baba emi bo ka ma we ka me ni ata e ka me no be tarigo aka mi ane we gwa mana tawe ni na gwa mana tawe ni na wa la gwa ni se abe di wan ni wan give ye de gwa di wan me keni ha di so wa sie ne do na etuze wa sie ne na afi nu gedo egba nto awe otonore ma awoge baba ya gogo oba ma gogo ma wa distro ma wa yin leru na boba wa yin leru ni monere we boni ado adeloto nyame ke na bolu wa no ne dodo kien we boni e ka be aje but nu wa vani ya sikerima edoma we gbe yun ba wa edoma we gbe wa temu igo no re gwani ya fe ogwa eva loeki so itamu wane Roland Ekoy ai no pani mai beje ni erege ase tie no ata me o ze di wege ni we Achete ni wa ta mo ze di begeni manike ave manike Holland radio we massage oge kunyare ne so ya iwoni phone ya do ladian we YouTube wa guni mari ladian sin fe wesi igu war pagbon wa ni rewe boso wa more re gboto gbe na fe na yi na wa ge gbedino mu hia me na lao we ni tuwe na wa je wa mo yo fu wa lawe o be do agon we na ka gbigbe agia gbebe Morocco gbebe ya do pe ano spam ero pa yiwe neko no ya loto lawa so da no edo gugun o me lare o kan o lare no gotanya we tola my man loto my we no say ye o they no say no na gbemi no ma o yan ti gbemi no ma ne egba won gbiju ene ojiju asisa ba mi go when we eje ma meke atem agbon o ye mu diaba so ema ya be gugun. So let me welcome my people from Amsterdam. They are here. May God bless you. Yeah, Lawani. Okay, may God bless you all. Yeah, you finish in it with the baby wadi. Man, wayafe wawesi. Amsterdam people, they are here. May God bless you. I love you. Generation wayafe te ya hamatemu. Ukbe awasi okuwa awasi. If you are ever ready to fight, awe battle ni ya moto ni, they have to stop it. Edo ma emoji wo nyade ne nyawo they are there. Okay, so let's massage start. Bye bye.